Publius Vergilius Maro, the second Eclogue, episode 3. The poetry goes like this. O cru de lis alexi nihil mea carmina curas, nil nostri miserere remori me deneque cogis. If you want to see the dactyls and spondies, it would go like this. O cru de lis alexi nihil mea carmina curas. And the second line, nil nostri miserere remori me deneque cogis. As this line begins, we have O crudelis alexi. Crudelis and alexi are masculine, singular, and vocative. Alexi is the vocative of Alexis. It's a Greek word. And Corydon here, the shepherd, is speaking to Alexis. Oh, you cruel Alexis. Do you care, kurdras? Do you care nothing for my poems? Kuras here is our verb from kuro, kurare, its first conjugation. And this form is second singular, present, indicative, and active. Do you care for my poems, mea carmina, neuter, plural, and accusative. Carmen, carminus is a third declension noun, like so, and it's neuter, which means that the nominative and the accusative are identical. Do you care for my poems, nihil, not at all, my songs, not at all, and nihil is being used here adverbially. In the next line, we have nil nostri. Nil is being used here adverbially, but nostri is masculine, singular, and genitive. So it's nos and then nostri. Now I say singular, but actually it's a plural form here used as a poetic plural. Do you not have any pity on me or on us? The form miserere is from the second conjugation verb misereor, miserere, which as you can see is a deponent verb. So it's deponent second conjugation, and therefore miserere is going to be second singular, present, indicative, and passive. Now passive in form, but active in translation, which is why we say, do you not pity me at all? Do you pity me nothing? Do you pity me not at all? Now why genitive? Well, that's because misereor patterns with the genitive case. The person whom one pities, or the thing that one pities, is always put into the genitive, and thus we have nostri. Now the third and final question. Here's the first one, here's the second one, and now the third one. In the end, finally, denique, are you compelling, are you forcing me to die? Are you compelling me to die? So we have cogis, which is second singular. It's a third conjugation verb, kogo, kogere, but the form cogis, second singular, present, indicative, and active. And me, as a masculine singular accusative, is the subject of the infinitive mori. Mori is the verb morior, third conjugation deponent, morior, mori, like so, and then the third principal part is mortuus. Are you in the end, are you finally, denique, that's an adverb, are you going to compel me to die, mori me? So this might be said a little bit melodramatically, which is another feature, perhaps, of the pastoral poetry, which Theocritus innovated and which Vergil is imitating. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.